Here's how you can listen to WhatsApp voice messages privately on the iPhone. So let me explain that in this video. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so that way you'll never miss anything important. So it depends on what exactly you mean by the privately, because of course, if somebody sends a voice memo, then you can open it up, and the moment you view it, you can see that it will not only be like shown to other people, but you can see that it's like telling exactly when it was delivered, seen, and even played, right? So it has like three different information about the time you interacted with it. But if you want to just like save it and like listen to it privately later, what you have to do is to hold down on it, click on forward, and you don't actually send it over WhatsApp anywhere, but you click on a share, and then you can see that we have the ability to save it as an audio file to the Files app, or you save it somewhere else. So it depends on your apps, but you can put it wherever you want. And yeah, that would be like a nice way to like save it privately for later. One more thing though, you can also just send the voice messages in multiple different ways. Like, of course, you can see that there is a microphone icon right next to the text field, and this sends like the normal voice messages, but you can as well just tap on the plus button to select a media and click on a document, choose from files, and in there you should as well just be able to send the audio messages through this, right? So this is like a different way of sharing stuff, and it's going to appear a little bit different because then you will send it as like a file app, so it's not going to be telling anybody about like when it was listened to or anything. But yeah, that would be another way to send it, and that as well gives you the option to save it locally to your file. So I really hope that I could explain it to you. This is just how it works. Outside of that, we don't have like more ways to get at the privacy. So yeah, let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.